While I'm here, I did bring some gifts for everyone who was on our set at Camp Rock. But here's an autographed poster of me. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I autographed it for you guys. And look, this is a picture of me and Selena, my best friend.
Bitch.
Do you see us?
Yeah, she the boyfriend stealer.
No, she didn't steal your boyfriend.
Yeah, she did.
But okay, hang on. You couldn't really see that really good. But see us? Like, so yeah, but this is Joe, and he acted on side. He was in Camp Rock with me. I just love Joe. He's like my big brother now, 'cause I mean, you know.
Whatever.
Anyways, and here is also a big picture
Demi
of me
Lovato, True Love
that
Waits.
I signed for you guys. Here's me, Selena Gomez.
Okay, scoot over. I don't care.
Okay.
Why'd you just call yourself Selena Gomez, you bitch?
I was kidding. I love Selena. Ew. And this is the Jonas.
Nitroglycerin.
Ew, it's in my eyes. Ow.
I'm making muffins as best as I can!
I love all of them.
Okay, Demi, really?
Nick,
No one cares.
Joe and Kevin. I was just showing